Hello and welcome. You're listening to One Indian News and I'm Pooja Sachdeva. For the time being, there is no ban on watching porn if you are doing it within the four walls of your room in India. This is what at least Supreme Court says. Supreme Court has declined to pass an interim order to block porn websites in India, saying it cannot stop an adult from exercising his fundamental right to personal liberty to watch porn within the privacy of his room. The Chief Justice was hearing a PIL petition filed by an advocate, Kamlesh Vashwani, to block porn websites in India. Mr. Vashwani had complained that the government is yet to file a response and the court should step in now and pass some interim order which would take these sites off the internet. Though denying immediate relief, the Chief Justice bench acknowledged the seriousness of the issue. Chief Justice Dattu has directed the government to reply in 4 weeks in the matter and said the issue is definitely serious and some steps need to be taken. The centre is expected to take a stand. Let us see what stand the centre will take. Mr. Vashwani said that there are 4 crore porn websites operating in the country. The government had then said that it was mostly helpless in implementing the law to locate and shut down the websites. It had submitted to the court that these sites were well masked, with servers located outside the country and based on high-end technology difficult to catch up with. The government had informed the court that it was working on an internet security policy and has taken the matter seriously with the Cyber Regulations Advisory Committee. That's all for now, but don't forget to subscribe us here on One India News to get all the latest updates. Take care.